Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install VS Code, that is Visual Studio Code latest version on Debian Linux 13. First verify whether VS Code comes as the default application or not. Search for code. So you don't have Visual Studio Code. Even if you search for Visual, so you don't have anything. So first open the default browser that comes with Debian Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to Visual Studio official website, that is code.visualstudio.com. Click on download for Linux.Debian package or click on download, both are same. Then click on this .Debian package. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is 109 megabytes. See, download completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads, ls. Now install it. Sudo dpkg-i code, then press the tab from your keyboard to autofill entire Debian package name. Hit enter. Provide the password of the currently logged in user, which must be the super user. Hit enter. Add Microsoft apt repository for Visual Studio Code. Select S by using right and left arrows from your keyboard. Hit enter. We have successfully installed. Now search for VS. See, here we have the Visual Studio Code. Click on it to open, or you can also open by just typing code on the terminal. I will show you. See, you got the Visual Studio Code. Okay. The other way is close this one. Just type code on the terminal and hit enter. See, you got the Visual Studio Code. Okay. So ls, this file is not required anymore. So remove it to clear the space. rm code, press the tab, hit enter. ls, see, we have cleared the space. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to install VS Code, that is Visual Studio Code on Debian Linux 13.3. Okay. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.